Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox tutorial. Let's find out how to create an ebook page with download and preview buttons using MB views. Here I have an ebook page as an example. As you can see, this archive page shows the product's detailed information along with two buttons. The first one allows directly downloading a PDF file, and the second button is to view it online. Each ebook will be a unique post of a custom post type. The name of the ebook and its image are the title and featured image of the post. We'll use a custom field provided by MetaBox to store the PDF file. For this practice, we need the MetaBox Core plugin here to have a framework to create custom post types and custom fields. You can download it directly from WordPress.org. Besides, we use some MetaBox extensions for more advanced features. You can install them individually or use MetaBox all-in-one. Here are the extensions that we will use in this practice. MB Custom Post Type helps to create a custom post type for ebooks. MB Views helps you create and style the template without touching the theme files. MetaBox Builder provides a UI on the back end to create custom fields. That's all the tools we need for this practice. Go to MetaBox and create a new post type for the ebooks. After publishing, you'll see a new menu here. It's your post type. Let's create custom fields. I'll create only one custom field to store the PDF file for the ebook. So choose the File Advanced field. Next, move to the Settings tab. Choose Location as Post Type, and then select Ebook to apply this field to this post type. Go to the Post Editor, you will see the created custom fields. Just fill in the information and upload a file. Let's move on to the next steps. I create a new page first. Then, go to Views of MetaBox to create a new template for the page. Now you can add some code to this template tab. This line of code is to declare that we will get posts from the post type that have this ID. This number means that we will display all the posts on the page. You can change it as you want. Next, we'll use this function to get posts. And here is the loop to get all the posts. To display the ebook information, you can add code or just insert fields from the right sidebar into the loop. Choose the Post Thumbnail field to display the book images. Then, choose Post Title to show the book's name, and Post Content for description. To display the download button, insert the custom field that we created. Change some codes to name the button and set it to download ebooks directly. Insert that field once again to create a Show Preview button. Add a name for the button like this. Now, scroll down and go to the Settings section of the view. Set this template in the type of singular page. Choose the location as Page, and then select eBookshop to apply the template to the page. After publishing, go to the page on the front end. All the product information and buttons are displayed already. But it is so messy now. We should style it to make it more beautiful with a better layout. Before styling using CSS, we should add some div tags like this for each element. Next, add some CSS code in this tab. All of these codes are available on our GitHub, so you can refer to them. After updating the template, you'll see the new look on the front end. Now you can click on the download button to get the ebook, or choose the preview button to read it online. That's all for today's tutorial. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye.